is watching Chelsea. Alvin, you're watching Spurs. The feeling is Chelsea are going to go on and win this title. Will Spurs feel they've got a chance or not?
Well, I think if they're going to have a chance, then obviously... We've talked about, Koeman, he's been exactly that at Spurs, and he's got a special ability, I think, Pochettino. He's very good tactically, but he's able to instill a magical thing into players, and that's self-belief. He's talking about Dembele today, Mr. Dembele, saying he's one of the greatest players he's had the privilege of working with. And when you hear that as a player, and they will understand this, it fills you with something that you think, I can do anything, I can achieve anything under this manager. And he gets that into his players. He's done it with Dele Alli. Every club he's been at that I've seen, he's developed and improved his players. And when you've got that, you don't have to keep going out and buying and spending 20 and 30 and 40 million. He's a dream, as I said, as an owner and a chairman. You want people like that for a new club.
And Ray, very quickly, you're at Chelsea. 10 points clear, 10 games left. But having a look at Palace, who are the visitors to the Bridge today, they've done well in recent games. Won their last 3 clean sheets as well, but their run is horrific, isn't it?
It is indeed, and it starts here today. It's a horrible running for Sam Allardyce, but look, it's a game that it's going to be interesting what tactics he puts out to Palace. Does he have a go at Chelsea?